Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create issuer on Canvas basis. An issuer is organization or platform that provides badges, that is achievement trophy, to individuals who complete courses, trainings or programs. If you are an issuer on Canvas basis, then you'll be able to offer all the users with trophy, that is badges, who completes the course, trainings or skills. To create issuer account on Canvas basis, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.badger.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Canvas basis and then you'll be directly taken to your login page. Now here you can see if you don't have Canvas Badge account, then you can directly click on create an account option. Similarly, you can also change region by clicking on different region option. Now here you can see you can sign in with your Facebook account, your Google account, your Microsoft account, your LinkedIn account, your Temenos account and Twitter account. Or you can also log in manually. For that, enter your email address that you have used to create your account. Then enter your correct password of your account. With this, click on sign in option. Then you'll be logged into your account. Now here you can see your backpack section. On the top you can see issuers option. Click on issuers. Now here you can see create issuer option on top right. Click on create issuer option. With this, here you need to fill in all the information. When you enter this information will be on your public page and then it will be a part of each badge that you will issue. Now for the information, you need to first enter your issuer name on the given box. After this, enter your valid issuer website on the given box. After this, you need to select an email address. Click on the given box, then select your email address. After this, you can enter your issuer description. It can be about your courses, skills or trainings, or it can be any of the information that you want to provide. After this, here you need to provide your issuer image. You can drag your mouse on the given box or you can click on select file to upload option. And then here you'll be taken to your computer side of your PC and then you need to select your image. After this, once viewed through data processor addendum, then click on the box stating you have read and agreed to data processor addendum. Now here on the downside, you need to first enter your organization name on the given box. If it is same as your issuer name, then you can click on same as issuer name option. That means your organization name and issuer name is same. Now here you need to select your organization type. Then here you need to select what issuer's badge represents. After this, here you need to select who will be earning badges from the issuer. These are the criteria for the users who need to be the certain qualified person so that they can achieve your badges. Then you need to select how many badges you expect your recipients to have per year. After this, click on create issuer option. With this, your issuer account will be created. As you can see here, my issuer account has been created. It will directly take you to your badges site. Now here you can see pathways, groups and staffs option. Now on the top you can see 3 dots. You can click on 3 dots and change any of the function of issuer account as you like. This is how we can create issuer account on Canvas basis. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.